Hey guys, this is Kris here, Realty One Group MVP from the Savings Specialist Group. Want to give a little bit of insight on who I am, kind of what I have to offer, what I can bring to the table, why you'd want to choose me as your agent, and what I can do for you. Like I said, I'm with the Savings Specialist Group. I've been a fireman for many years. I've been helping people for almost 20 years in the fire service. I've been in the construction industry for over 20 years between real estate, flipping properties, wholesaling properties, building properties. With these benefits, it can roll over onto you when you're purchasing. If you're looking to sell a property or buy a property, I'm able to give you price per square foot. I understand the price per square foot. I understand how to look for properties and see where the best deals are. I know how to go after some of the builders to get you better incentives and savings. We go after programs. That's why we named our group the Savings Specialist Group, because we go after these programs that save you excessively. If there's a property that needs a little bit of rehab or maybe needs a little bit of construction, what we do is we go after that property and then we give you contacts that we utilize that we can help save you excessively on those builds, like tile guys, paint guys, framers, HVAC guys, electricians, plumbers, whatever. I give you access to all my contacts when you utilize me as your agent. So not only are you getting an agent, you're getting a guy that's in the industry, building houses, flipping houses. So you have all my resources. And what I do is I give those resources to you at what they charge me at my cost. So you're gonna save there because you're gonna get my cost. I've used some of these guys for 15 years or more, even building pools. Like I said, our team holds a building GC license, we hold a roofing license, we hold a pool contractor's license. So sometimes we find the right deal, we can strip the pool out and save you anywhere from 20 to 40 grand off your pool purchase or off your pool build. We build it ourselves. Same with construction. Maybe we're looking at and you want to build a new house. We just build it ourselves, or if you need a new roof on something, we put a new roof on, or if there's a roof repair that comes back on the inspection report, we just set you up with our team and we handle it. Anytime there's something that arises, we're like a one-stop shop. There's a lot that we can offer when we're the one-stop shop. So those are the resources we'll be able to help you with. So feel free to reach out. We'll go after the savings programs, the incentive programs that save you excessively. If you're looking to purchase a property, we go after the interest rate buy downs. We go after the closing cost credits. We negotiate the purchase price downs because we know price per square foot. So we can do all that to help you out excessively. So feel free to give us a call. We'd love to help you in this transition. If you're looking to buy, sell, or invest in real estate, we can help you on the sale, keep as much money in your pocket while transitioning that sale, helping the purchasers get programs to get into your property and also save them with different grants and etc. And if you're looking to purchase, we go after the different incentives and saving programs to save you an additional, upwards of $50,000 and closing cost credits and a whole bunch of other different incentives. Again, this is Kris, your savings specialist with the Savings Specialist Group, 239-898-3413, your local savings specialist. Have a blessed day.